Ready to take full control of your cryptocurrency with the power of decentralized finance? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use the Crypto.com DeFi wallet to securely store your assets and access the world of DeFi. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The DeFi wallet gives you complete ownership of your crypto while letting you explore decentralized applications and earning opportunities. Let me guide you through setting up and using this powerful tool. First, download the Crypto.com DeFi wallet from your app store. It's a separate application from the main Crypto.com app, specifically designed for decentralized finance operations and self-custody of your assets. Create your new wallet by following the setup process. You'll generate a unique seed phrase, write this down physically and store it securely. This is your master key to accessing your funds, so never share it digitally. Connect your main Crypto.com account by using the Link Crypto.com app feature. This allows you to easily transfer assets between the centralized exchange and your DeFi wallet while maintaining full control over your private keys. Explore key DeFi features like staking, swapping tokens, and providing liquidity. The wallet interface makes it easy to participate in various DeFi protocols and earn rewards on your crypto holdings. A crucial pro tip: always verify transaction details carefully before confirming, as DeFi transactions are irreversible. Start with small amounts when trying new features, and consider using the wallet's built-in dApp browser to safely interact with verified decentralized applications. And just like that, you've entered the world of decentralized finance with full control over your assets. The DeFi wallet opens up countless opportunities beyond traditional crypto trading. If this guide helps you safely navigate DeFi, please give it a like. What DeFi feature are you most excited to explore first? Share your plans in the comments below. To continue mastering your crypto management, subscribe for our next video on how to export your crypto transaction history. Thanks for watching.